thanks for coming to the corner today, and I wanted to show everybody my Battery Tender. Battery Tender Junior by Delron. Or Delrin. Anyway, here it is. Battery Tender brand. And you can see it has a 7-year warranty. And a picture of a motorcycle down here. So what it comes with are 2 different ways you can charge batteries. Basically your clips that you would use, you know, on a normal battery. And then for motorcycles, you can connect this to your terminals, and this will come out under your seat and stick out someplace to plug in the charging unit. We'll get this connected up so that you can keep the battery in the motorcycle, and all we would have to do then, set this here, and has this plug on the end. So when this is connected to the motorcycle, there's a cap on there you pull off, plug it in to charge. And I was reading the instructions, you can keep it on for long periods of time. Then when you want to use on another battery that's connected with these, then it has its plug, you know, you can use for it. Pretty simple. And I like the fact that it even comes with a cover cap. So I understand why you would want one with your motorcycle, because if you just kept this on your battery at all times, year round, why you would want this cap on here to keep, you know, the elements out or keep it from touching anything, shorten anything out. So yeah, it's just got a light indicator on here that it'll blink red if it's not connected proper. I found that out. And when it's charging, it'll blink green, and when it's fully charged, it'll just stay on green. A red light will remain on until the battery is 80% charged. It's able to read the voltage to know if there's enough voltage in the battery to even bother to charge it, and it'll maintain it at 100% charge or thereabouts, between 100 and 103% it said. So I thought that was pretty sweet. So yeah, we've got our batteries all charged up right now, and probably next week we'll just go around and plug it in. Just plug it in for a day or two and then unplug it once the light stays on green. Really nice unit. On the back here it says, connect it and forget it. I like that, because I forget a lot. So that's right up my alley. Once connected, this Battery Tender battery charger will charge and maintain your battery so that it is always ready to go when you are. It's lightweight, fully automatic, and easy to use. Everything I like. Automatic, easy to use. Forget it. Hey, it's got me covered, baby. Yeah, 50% lighter weight than previous models, spark-proof protection, and reverse hookup protection. Thank God for that, because I accidentally hooked it up backwards. First time in my life I've ever done that. Yes, sir. But it can happen. And it's got a 12-foot cord on it, reach. So that's awesome. And then of course it lists all the vehicles, ATVs, sport utility vehicles, boats, trucks, cars, all shown down here on the bottom. Pretty cool unit. $37 at Walmart, $36.98 or something, $36.97. Comes with the all important safety instructions right here. But yeah, I recommend it. I've already tried it. I'm happy with it, and I definitely recommend this. They had other cheap models there, and I think they had something more expensive, but it had more bells and whistles. Well, we didn't need any more bells and whistles. This bell or whistle was all we needed. Hey, thank you for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace!